Make an easy homemade protein shake. A protein shake is something that you can drink as a supplement so that you can get all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Protein shakes are also popular for bodybuilders and for those who work out on a regular basis. The protein shake aids in repairing muscle tissues. There are different types of protein powder available that you can purchase so that you can make your own protein shake at home. Follow these steps to learn how to make a peanut butter and banana protein shake. Ingredients. The ingredients for this protein shake recipe are skim milk, banana, peanut butter, and whey protein powder. You can get the whey protein powder from a health store. Whey protein powder contains amino acids that are good for the body. Make the protein shake. To make the protein shake, get your blender and add 8 ounces of skim milk. Peel a large banana and add it in the blender. Add a tablespoon of peanut butter and 2 scoops of the whey protein powder. Blend all the ingredients until you reach a smooth consistency. Now you have a delicious protein shake. Here is another recipe of an easy-to-make protein shake that is good for the summertime. Learn how to make the Piña Colada Passion protein shake below. Ingredients. The ingredients that you need for this protein shake are water, ice cubes, pineapple chunks, coconut extract and vanilla-flavored protein powder. Make the protein shake. Get your blender and add 12 ounces of water. Add 3 scoops of the vanilla-flavored protein powder. Add 1/3 cup of the pineapple chunks and 2 teaspoons of the coconut extract. Blend all the ingredients well. After blending, add 4 ice cubes and blend the shake once more. This protein shake recipe is something that you can make if you also want to have more fiber in your diet. Learn how to make the fruit and bran protein shake by reading the steps below. Ingredients. The ingredients you need for this recipe are apple juice, banana, blueberries, bran, protein powder, and ice cubes. Bran comes from cereal grains and is considered a good source of fiber. Make the protein shake. Place a cup of apple juice in your blender. Add half a banana, 1/3 cup blueberries and a teaspoon of bran. Add about 2 tablespoons of your protein powder and ice cubes. Blend the ingredients well. The consistency of this protein shake should be smooth but a bit thick. Add more ice cubes to the shake if it is too thick for you to drink. These are some of the easy protein shakes that you can make at home. You can try and make your own version of a protein shake by using the fruits that you like. You can even make vegetable protein shakes. To get more recipes for easy-to-make protein shakes that you can make at home, you can visit the website Project Swole. They have over 90 protein shake recipes on the website that are easy to make.